Welcome to MBA E610 International Financial Strategies. My name is Luca Powanga, Professor of International Business and Economics in the School of Management at Regis University.
Hi, my name is Hugo Hernandez. I'm a planning manager at HP. I'm also a finance professor at ITESO University.
And the two of us would like to visit briefly with you to talk about what the course is about, how the course is organized, and the major lessons that you can take from this course.
This course equips you with the tools and techniques that you need for effective and efficient financial management in an international setting. Emphasis is placed on global investment and financing techniques, control and management of international financial risk, positioning of funds, working capital management, and capital budgeting.
Now let's look at the structure. This course is presented over 8 weeks. The first week examines the global financial environment and the factors that impact the operations of multinational enterprises. The goals and objectives of multinational enterprises are examined to establish the rationale for going international. The history of the international monetary system is discussed to provide a background in which the current exchange rate regimes are framed.
Also, an analysis of the balance of payments and implications of exchange rates and business decisions is presented. Corporate governance issues are reviewed and compared across different countries to assess the managerial implications as one moves from domestic to the international environment.
The second week presents the theoretical underpinnings of the foreign exchange market, focusing on the parity conditions and how international financial markets function. Exchange rate forecasting tools such as the asset market approach and technical analysis are utilized.
Week 3 introduces the concept of derivatives and how to use them to hedge against the loss of asset value and currency fluctuations. Future, forward contracts, options, interest rate, and currency swaps are examined.
Week 4 identifies the main foreign exchange exposures, mainly transaction, operating, and translation, and how to eliminate or minimize the effect of these exposures by employing strategies such as A, diversifying operations and the sources of financing, B, matching currency cash flows, C, risk-sharing agreements, D, back-to-back loans, E, currency swaps, F, leads and lags, and G, re-invoicing centers. The methods for reporting and managing translation exposures are also discussed.
Week 5 builds upon the risk management strategies from Week 4. It discusses how to tap into capital by listing on foreign stock markets and minimizing the cost of capital by selecting an optimal mix of debt and equity.
Week 6 analyzes the risks associated with investing in foreign countries, emphasizing how to mitigate these risks. The analysis includes firm-specific risks, industry-specific risks, and country-specific risks to illustrate the differences in the risk levels between the domestic and the international business environment.
Week 7 evaluates the impact of taxation on the cash flows of a multinational firm and the strategies to minimize the adverse impacts of taxes on cash flows. Tax havens are discussed together with transfer of funds across national borders to equip students with the tools for managing tax issues.
Finally, Week 8 represents the challenges of financing international trade. A review of international export and import trade financing is carried out. Financing methods such as letters of credit, drafts, and bankers' acceptances are covered.
Overall, some of the main lessons you will come out from this course are to recognize the opportunities abroad, analyze the risks associated with those opportunities both in the short and the long run time frames, and to mitigate and manage the risk inherent in international opportunities.
We are both looking forward to seeing you in the classroom, and thank you very much.